Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Figma variables and wished there was an easy way to duplicate or transfer your meticulously crafted variable collections between different files, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to export and import variables across Figma files using both the native tools and the handy Variables Pro plugin. This technique makes it so much easier to maintain consistency between projects or share resources with your teammates, so let's dive right in. To start, make sure you're inside the Figma file containing the variables you want to duplicate. Look towards the bottom center of your screen and find the little toggle labeled variable. It might be a bit hidden if you haven't used it before, but it's your main control point for managing all those reusable values like colors, text styles, and more. Click that toggle to open up your variable settings, which gives you a complete overview of everything you've defined so far. Now here, where it gets interesting. Let's say you have a specific set of variables, perhaps your brand's color palette or spacing system, that you want to move or copy to another file. Go ahead and select the variables you want to export. If you haven't already, I recommend organizing them into a new collection. This just keeps things tidy and ensures you don't accidentally grab unrelated variables. For example, imagine you're working on a design system for a client. Grouping all their unique colors into a client name colors collection really simplifies exporting only what you need. With your collection ready, let's bring in Variables Pro. It's a plugin that seriously boosts the power of Figma's variable management. To use it, right-click anywhere inside Figma, choose Plugins, and open Variables Pro. It may take a second to load, so don't worry if it hesitates for a moment. Once Variables Pro is open, look along the side panel for the Export option. Click that and then specifically choose Collection, since you want to move your whole batch of variables with just a couple of clicks. When you hit Export, the plugin will generate a JSON file that contains everything, all the variables, categories, and even any descriptions you've added. This file is perfect for importing into other Figma projects or sharing with collaborators. But what if you need to bring variables into a file instead? Maybe you're onboarding a new project or pulling in resources from a teammate. You can use those same tools in reverse. Just open Variables Pro again, but this time look for the Import section. Click on it and then select the JSON file for the variables you want to add. Maybe that's the file you just exported, or maybe it's one you received from a colleague. Here's a tip: Figma supports importing variables from pretty much any compatible JSON, so you're not limited to just one workflow. Once you've picked your file, hit Upload JSON file, then Import. Give it a second to process. Especially with bigger collections, it might need a few moments. And just like that, your variables are available in the new file, ready to use on any design you make. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to duplicate variables across Figma files, whether you're organizing your own workflow or collaborating with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own Figma tips, and hit subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.